Oh my goodness. Now you need to watch this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You don't want to be that cat. You just don't want to be that cat. You don't have any business being such a cat. Christ is your wisdom. Discover how to walk in wisdom and letting God's word and God's wisdom work in and through you. Check out today's Rhapsody of Realities. Remember, you don't want to be that cat at all. If you're not yet a partner with Rhapsody of Realities, go ahead and click on the link below, become a partner today, and also download the Rhapsody of Realities app and also download the Rhapsody of Realities lingual app. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you are going to have a fantastic day today. God bless you.